New card. What do you think?
Nice bird's nest.
Look at that absolute beauty right there.
Picked them up from the office yesterday.
Nice coloring.
That's blue and gold. And the lettering is something called Arial.
That's nothing, McGinty. Look at this. MLA format. Double spaced. Times New Roman. It's got it all.
Nice.
Holy cannoli, Andrew! When did Nimrod like you get so tasteful?
I can't believe that Reese prefers Andrew's card to mine.
Gee willikers, this is about to knock your socks off.
Look at that absolutely awkward smile. The look of dread in his eyes. The emptiness in his soul. Completely gone.
Impressive. Very nice. Let's see Jaron Johnson's card.
Look at that subtle blue and gold coloring. The tasteful thickness of it. Oh my gosh. It even has a ram on it.
Something wrong, Charlie? You're sweating.